Hi, so is free shipping worth it on Etsy? Like, should you implement free shipping in your Etsy shop? Well, we're going to go over some pros and cons in my experience of selling on Etsy for 10 years now, almost. And we have two Etsy shops, Farmhouse Fare and Hallstrom Home. So we went with free shipping years ago when Etsy suggested it, promising that we were going to get better sales and better placement if we did free shipping. And I'm like, oh yeah, I'm all in. I love that. Well, it's kind of come back to bite me in the butt. And so we are slowly transitioning a lot of our items into having shipping. And let me tell you why so that you can decide what might work best for you. So if you're a long-time seller on Etsy and you don't have free shipping, this is going to help you. And if you're new to Etsy and you're trying to decide like, hey, it's the trend, everybody does free shipping. Well, not everybody does do free shipping. Here's what I learned. We also have a .com and we went with free shipping on that as well because we thought, hey, everybody was saying that's the trend. It's going to get you better sales because your price is upfront and people know what to expect, right? Well, not necessarily. It seems that you can do a lot of promotions if you don't have free shipping that actually work brilliantly. Like, hey, spend $100 and get free shipping, or spend $50 and get free shipping. Now, I don't necessarily think you can do that on Etsy, but you can do that on your .com. And I think there is a way that you can do some kind of rewards for people when they to purchase more on Etsy. Okay, so let's get into it. So if you're selling items like this is one of our towels, it's pretty nice. And it's really easy to offer free shipping on something like this. I think it's straightforward. It's like, with shipping's going to probably cost about $3.50 to ship this first class. And so you would just put that price into the item. So I think this might be like $14.99 for this item. So back when I first started on Etsy, I was doing a lot of large candle holders, custom painted, and they were, for example, $169 plus shipping. And shipping would be about $30 or more sometimes, depending on where it goes, you know how that is. So I was selling a lot of candle holders. Of course, this is back in the day when there wasn't as many Etsy shops, and now it's, definitely the trend for everybody or a lot of people, primarily women, to have Etsy shops. So we went with free shipping, and what happened was I increased my price on the candle holders to $225. Okay, so now the cost looks higher. So instantly, I think it was a drawback for people, even if it showed free shipping. For some reason, my customers were willing to pay the extra shipping when I had it at $169. So when you look at the number, the price, that does something in your brain. I've noticed too that you want to do like 99, that it's a tried and true system that when you have just, say $14, it looks different. We interpret that different than $14.99. Now you just made an extra dollar because you have the 99 on there. So we'll get more into that on a different video, but it's pretty interesting to learn about pricing your items with the 99 and why you do that. So then what I did, because the shipping, I felt like my sales actually didn't do as well, I just lowered the price and I took a major cut in profit. And so like, you think $169 is a lot for a set of candle holders, but now you're going to take off maybe $30, $35, $40 on just the shipping cost. But I had to make a custom box, and they're massive because none of those holders can touch each other in that box. You have to fill it completely full of peanuts, pack it tight, Okay, that's another cost. The time it takes to make the box and fill it and do all the things, you're like, wow, that's no little feat. So you can't underprice your stuff, which you'll see a lot on Etsy. People, I think, don't. There's a lot of Etsy hobby shops on there, and so they don't mind not making a full-time wage. But I do this. I sell online to help support my family, and so I need to make an income that pays. I mean, if you know what I'm saying. Okay, so free shipping. So yeah, basically I took a major loss, and I'm still at free shipping on most things, but just recently I changed on the Farmhouse Fair Etsy shop. The Christmas stockings are no longer free shipping, and we included that $2 handling fee. I wanted to try it out, and I just want to see what happens with that. Like last year's sales on our red stripe stockings went crazy, and it could have been the free shipping but we'll see. I'm going to try it out, because if I don't try things, I'm not going to know. And then I'll report back to you guys. So if you want to have a follow-up on that, be sure to leave it in the comment section. And I'm going to give you my true, honest advice or opinion on everything that I do, because I feel like that's what we're all looking for. I mean, I've been in this for 10 years, and there's been a lot of challenges, a lot of ups and downs, and I just want to be able to share that with you guys so that you know how better to run your Etsy stores and not make the same mistakes I've made. So back to, is Etsy shipping worth it or not? Well, it's something that you're going to have to decide to do for yourself, but maybe try both ways for like 3 months and then see. I'm not sure if you can afford to play around with it like that or not. I mean, and again, depending on how many items you have in your shop, if it's worth playing around with it. And I mean, if you're doing small items and it's all straightforward on the shipping, I would go for it. I would do free shipping. Not a big deal, but bigger items, I don't know. I've seen it both ways. And again, I'm thinking to go back to charging shipping, at least on my bigger items. So I hope that, I don't know why I'm playing with this, you found that helpful. And if so, be sure to subscribe, and we will be giving you more Etsy and business advice as we go.